Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use the futures combo trading bot on Bybit. First, about the Bybit website in your browser. Make sure to log into your account. Next, go to the Tools tab in the top menu bar. Then, click Trading Bot from the drop-down options. Scroll down to reach Futures Combo, which maintains an auto rebalancing portfolio. Here, click the Create button to start. Futures Combo auto rebalances as portfolio of perpetual contracts to maintain set proportions. You can choose to manually create or use AI recommended parameters to create your bot. For direction, select long, short, or a mix of long and short positions. For category, select your desired category of cryptocurrencies to trade. You can also opt to configure your own futures combo manually for higher flexibility in creating your bot. Your combo can include up to 10 derivative contracts, each with customizable long or short positions and adjustable proportions. You can review your futures combo's detail, including current position, holdings, and rebalancing history in the bot details page. After that, specify the total investment amount and the trading spot. Lastly, click the Create button to continue using Future Combo Trading Bot. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.